C.A.R.S auto repair service here. So I don't know if you can see the pink colour in between there, but there's your signs of your water pump leaking. Okay, so when I came, the bottle was totally empty. The fan's constantly going on. So what I did was I topped it up first, saw that there was a bit of drip coming from the water pump, reset the system on the computer for the thermostat, which is this one here. And because it's got electrical component, when it gets too hot and runs too hot, it burns out the switch. So the fan is just constantly going on. So I reset it. We reset for a minute, and then obviously it came back up on the system that the thermostat is no good. So thermostat and water pump will be replaced, and then therefore I can check out the rest of the system after that. C.A.R.S auto repairs over and out. Oh, so yeah, I mean, by the way, the water pump, you got to take off the engine mount, stabilizer, airbox out the way, and also then you've got a pipe here, and then you've got quite a few bolts all the way around. You've got to take the pulley off. Yeah, so not too bad of a job, but yeah, it's quite a nice access to get to it. And yeah, over and out.